Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the "When Did You Get Hot" TikTok trending edit using CapCut. So this trend is going viral right now and it's perfect for glow ups, transformations, or before and after videos. So follow this step-by-step tutorial to recreate the exact timing, transition, and effects used in this trend. So you can make the edit from scratch, but there's a shortcut for you to create the trending video. You can just easily use the CapCut templates. So if you're using CapCut mobile, you can just head into the templates button in here. Then you can search for the "When Did You Get Hot" template by clicking on the search column at the top. So just type in the keyword "When Did You Get Hot." You can go with this, or you can also add another word such as transition or edit, but let's just click on enter. So here is some of the preview, some of the template. So you can just choose which one that you want to use. This one, for example. I think I'm going to just use this one in here. So you can just tap on the use template options and fill in the items in here with videos or photos. So I'm going to just use, let's say, photos right here. I'm going to just use a random photo to fill in the template. So you can just use your videos or your selfies for this one. Just tap on next after that. So CapCut will loading the effects. And here you can preview the "When Did You Get Hot" video before exporting it. If you want to, you can click on this edit more to edit the result again in CapCut. But if you already like the result, you can just tap on the export at the top. So that's how you can create the "When Did You Get Hot" TikTok trend video by using CapCut template. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.